गुड मॉर्निंग माय यूट्यूब फॅमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स. तर कशी आहे तुम्ही? आय होप तुम्ही सगळी बरी आसतली म्हणून. आणि आज हा ट्यूजडे मॉर्निंग आणि हांव हिंगा सकाळ येयला आणि आता हांव चिंतले हांव कितें रांदूं म्हणून. बिकॉज काल राती न्ही हांवें ही भाजी केलेली पळय. ही भाजी तुमकां खबर आसतली. ही हा ब्रिंजॉल पोटॅटो आणि गालमो जाणा सुके सुकी सुंगटां ती घालून हांवें ही भाजी केलेली काल राती कामांतल्यान येवन. आणि आता हांव चिंतले हेजे बरांनी प्लेन दाळ करूंक म्हूण आनी रायस करूंक म्हूण. सो आतां हांव पयलीं दाळ चोडयता आनी मागीर तुमकां मेवता. तरसे आता दाळ सोडून जाली आणि जाता मुसर हांव बेगीन न्हेसून येता. दाळ न्ही बरी कूक जाला आणि आता हांव एका चॅक करून डिसायड करतलें म्हाका हितून उदीक घालूंक जाय ओ ना. तर दाळ म्हाका मातशी दाट लागूंक लागला. तर हांव चिंता हितून थोडेशें गरम उदीक घालून आनी परतून मातशें शिजोवंक घालता म्हणून. बेगीन यो टायम जावंक लागला. गुड मॉर्निंग सांग.
Oh, good morning, friends.
आज टीचरीक ते ईमेलाचें सांग. ओके. काल मेसेज येयलेली न्ही म्हाका.
Yes. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. See you. Have a good day. Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord.
आणि तिंगा शिजूंक लागला दाळ कुकरान. आणि हे सगळं पासार रांदून तुमी मातशें इग्नोर कराय. ओके. सकाळचो टायम आमचो किचन मातशें मॅसी आसता म्हणून. सो आतां हांव ही दाळ मातशी शिजता म्हणल्यार म्हाजो ब्रेकफास्ट करून घेता आनी बेगीन बेगीन मागीर दाळीक दिता एक बरो तडका. घालता हितून तडका. ओके. दाळ जाली. आता कोत्ता एका बंद. ओके फ्रेंड्स, आता घराचो टास्क जालो. आता भायलो टास्क करपाचे म्हणल्यार कामाक वयपाचें. लायफान दोनी इम्पॉर्टंट हाय न्ही. आतां सांज जाली आनी हांव कामासान परतून येतालें. परतून येता येता म्हाका हो बरो व्यू दिसलो आनी हांवें चिंतलें बेगीन हेका कॅप्चर कोत्ता म्हूण आनी तुमकां ही दाखयता म्हूण. आनी ही पळया वेजिटेबल शॉप्स, आमी हिंगासल्यानूच फ्रुट्स आनी वेजिटेबल्स हाडटाय, बरी फ्रेश मेळटाय हां. आजकाल न्ही जेन्नाय म्हाका बरो कितें व्यू दिसता पळय, रोखडें म्हाज्या मनान येता की तो कॅप्चर करूं आनी तुमचे बराबरूय हांव शेअर करूं म्हणून. तर आतां म्हाका बरो व्यू दिसूंक लागला तर हांव तुमचे बरोबर शेअर करूंक सोदता. तर तुमी एन्जॉय कराय. हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, कशें आहाय तुमी? आनी आतांचे हांव कामासान येयलें आनी जावंक लागलाय टायम 7:30 आय थिंक. आनी आतां हांव बसून पिता म्हाजी कॉफी आनी केक. से कॉफी केक. ही खंयची केक खबर आहा? चॅरी केक. स्टिफनान त्या दीस दाखयलेली न्ही शॉपिंग हावलाच्या विडियोन. चॅरी केक, ती केक म्हाका तीच लायक जाता चड करून. आनी ही हा म्हजी कॉफी. हो पळय हो डबो दिसता न्ही, तितून पीठ घालून हिंगाच दवरला ते दीस ड्रायर, थिंगाच उरला तो. ताका आनी खंय बरो जाग करून दवरूंक पडटलो. आनी हांवें काल लेटेस्ट व्लॉग घायलेलो पळय फीश आंबूट तिकाचो. तो कोणें कमेंटान म्हाका विचारलेलें की हांव रवा फ्राय करना कितें फिशाक. तर हांव न्ही रवा फ्राय करता ओके, पूण नॉट फॉर ऑल फिशीस. खंयची सर्टन फीश आसताय पळय ती म्हाका विदाउट रवा फ्राय करूंक बरी लागता. अशें प्लेन फ्राय करूंकच बरी लागता, जस्ट चिली पावडर आनी टर्मरीक पावडर घालून. सगळे हितून म्हाका रवा फ्राय बरो लागना म्हणून हांव करना. आनी सी बाल स्पेशली म्हाका बरो लागना विथ रवा फ्राय. आनी खंयचे फीश जाणा जशें हांवें ते दीस केलेले प्रॉन्स, तर प्रॉन्स रवा फ्राय आनी मागीर केन्ना बांगडे हाडल्यार बांगडा रवा फ्राय, तशें सगळें बरें लागता ओके. तर हांवें चिंतलें हे व्लॉगान हांव ते आन्सर दितलें म्हणून. आनी आतां हांव न्ही माड्यार वयता मातशें पलाचे बरोबर बसता. कित्याक काय म्हणल्यार आज म्हाका तेजे कितें एक स्टोरी कळ्ळा. स्टिफनान म्हाका सांगला स्कॉलासान येता तेणें कितें एक बरें हे कितें म्हणटाय तें बरें काम केलें. चयता पल कितें कोत्ता तें. पली पल, hello. What are you doing? I was calling you.
Oh.
You have earphones in your ears?
Yeah.
That's why. Okay. So tell our friends about today's story.
Today's story?
Which you and Dada was telling me. Okay. So should I on the light? It's too dark in here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sang आज कितें जालें तें.
Basically, when we are coming back home, yeah, and usually I wait there for the Dara to arrive in the car, and I was waiting there with my friend, and then I looked like around, and there was like a parrot on the floor. I didn't know what it was at first. Like I went and saw it. I thought it was dead at first, but then I went and I touched it, and then it was like breathing. Like I could feel it breathing. And my friend picked it up, and then I asked Dada if I could take it to a vet or something, and he said all right, because car was also there. And then my friend gave it to me and I was holding it, and I went inside the car and then we were looking for the vet. It was like, when I held it, I could feel its heartbeat and everything. But then after some moment it stopped.
Yeah, Dada was telling me he was worried that it stopped breathing.
Yeah, it did. In middle it stopped breathing, if you hold it. Yeah. And you can feel it, right? Your heartbeat. And I couldn't feel it only. It stopped, and then it put his head backwards, and then it closed his eyes and everything.
Poor.
I thought it died then, but then I still told Dad to go to the vet. And then after some time, it suddenly awoke. And his wings also moving. Like when I found on the floor, his wings were moving. So I knew it was alive. And again, we went there, and then again it dropped. Again it because I was holding it like this. Its head was up, but then suddenly its head dropped on my hand only.
Okay.
It dropped on my hand, and then we reached the vet there, and then we gave them the parrot and all, and they said like to write your name down, give number, and you know where you found it, like the address and everything. And I did that, and they said that the vets were checking it and the doctors were like checking it, but it looked like very ill. So it wasn't like any external harm. There was no wounds or anything, because I saw that there's no blood, no wounds. But it was like very ill, and they said that they'll have to euthanize it, so like put it to sleep if it can't be healed, because it's like very ill. It looked also very ill.
Yeah, it looked like you showed me the picture.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know if they do that, but maybe they'll call me or something.
Okay, they took the details.
Yeah, they just took like number and all. I gave Dara's number.
Okay.
And everything. That's all.
Let's hope for good. Yeah,
I hope it survives.
Last time you remember we
Piku, you saved
pigeon,
it.
Yeah. No, we all saved it actually from the cat.
Yeah, that one outside visible wound was there. That one actually was wounded, but this one was just.
Its leg was broken. That pigeon's.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, but you did a good thing. Okay.
Yeah.
तर ऐकले न्ही तुमी आज कितें केलां तेणें तेच म्हाका स्टिफन सांगतालो कामासान येता येता अशें जालें म्हणून तर हांवें चिंतलें तुमचे बरोबर मातशें शेअर करुया म्हणून आज कितें केलां तें.
Like unexpected. Like I was literally just joking around with my friends. And suddenly I just saw it on the floor, and a few other people also came there, like, you know, to check out what's going on and all. But then we picked it up and took it away.
Okay. Okay, so what you was doing now?
Now?
You were studying?
Yeah, I was doing psychology.
Okay. Fine.
I just took a break in middle.
Okay, so continue with your studies, okay?
Okay.
I'm going downstairs.
Okay.
Okay. तर फ्रेंड्स वो आसलेलो म्हाजो आजचो व्लॉग आनी आतां हांव हो व्हिडिओ हिंगाच एंड कोत्ता आनी तुमकां आजचो म्हाजो हो व्हिडिओ कसो लागलो प्लीज म्हाका कमेंट करून सांगाय आनी जर लायक जालो जाल्यार लायक कोराय शेअर कोराय आनी प्लीज म्हाजे चॅनलाक सबस्क्रायबूय कोराय ओके. आनी आतां पळय हांव जेयता हांवें सकाळीं दाळ केल्ली न्ही ती दाळ आनी भाजी आनी रायस आनी हे आमचे ऑल टायम फेवरेट लेमन पिकल ओके. सो आतां हांव जेयता आनी न्हिदूंक वयता. परतून मेळया आनी एक नवे व्हिडिओन एक बरें कितें कॉन्टेंट घेवन. टील देन टेक केअर एंड बाय.